going on, fellas? Black Feniks checking in. I'm about to show my guy how to do a T-joint because the T-joint is very important in the field. Pretty much everything you do in the field, you put two pieces together and you need to blend both of them in. So I want you to see this one. This was a good example. Get close on it. This was a good example. You see I got no undercut at the top. No undercut up here, there's no undercut down here, everything is blended in real good. That's an example. I'm gonna run a bead so that way you can really see it on this replay. Different day, another dog. Got my game from the start. Money going on trees now. The case all being followed. Niggas killing, get the tag cut. Bullet niggas still alive, bro. I don't know why you grew up. Real niggas don't fold up. Shit's looking like a trend now. Niggas kissing, niggas send them out. Gotta keep us on blocked out. Show them what a real G about. Taking money, make it multiply. Feed the folks, they just get by. Live life full of high class. The more they flow, the more they land. Happy niggas think it's suicide. Cause it's something that was suicide. Old school like suicide. Blue and black, this ain't trip. You don't need a heater when you got respect. These real things moving every step quick. Moves that over pen. Real niggas that head drink. Free the city, he know he rich. He ain't gonna keep a bad bitch. Rather hard like a bad bitch. Conversation like bad shit. From the south, but they cash with. Rock the mic, make a classic. Gotta keep it for dancing. Drop this one or dance this. And dance my cake. I'ma blow up my cake. Put it all in my face. Money holding on me. And dance my cake. I'ma blow up my cake. Put it all in my face. Now I'm about to let him run one. So he can see. So I'm gonna let my guy run one from this side. We're gonna start on that side.
God, family, my fans, and the money is the only thing that counts. You did.
You ready? Let's go.
You did the child, you're not the bride. You never had it. So I
knock the flag off. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, good. Slow down. Yep, good. Keep that same speed right there. It's going to be perfect.
Little more wise. None of my shots. Third eye mind. I'm on a new level, it's loose rebel to the Don P. From a wine cellar, got an upgrade on the time teller. Got the bands on like a Margiela with a Paul Bear. Kill a nigga with a 16. No cane with a green, kill a nigga. Kill a nigga too cold. Too cold in the rap game, I ain't blind, mill a nigga beast mode. Fuck a nigga with the fake feelings like they been with us, y'all weirdos.
Oh man, that wasn't bad at all. Like I say, you just right here, but you went back in it. So that's gonna be fine. Hold that for me. Look at my guy B. That's damn good. No. Damn good. Now, do your bottom one. I'm teaching them how to run 3 passes because most time you're going to do a good 3 passes. So that's what we're going to work on. They did damn good on that one. And you got to keep in mind, this man ain't never stick weld before neither. So, let's go.
Whack rappers in the kill zone. Predator get you prayed on. Niggas laying on your mama home while I'm flying in another time zone. When you talking money, get the doubts on. I've been meditating, got the mind thrown, and I can't forget about my goals and my little bro. I have some friends who switched up sides and they got ghosts.
Smart. I like how you did that. Anytime you stick it, just take it off of it. Yeah. Now, when you get ready to strike it here.
Strike it right there?
Yeah, and bring it over.
You never had, so I provide. I never stress. Niggas be blessed. But that don't mean I won't do things and I'll regret.
Stay right beside it. Going too fast. Stay right beside it, yeah. You want to stay right beside it. Use it like a gas. Slow down. You want to keep that same speed and not come back and forward on it like this. Like you got to weave it. Because you don't. See? Wasn't bad, just made a wider bead. Hold the plate down for me.
Now you see what you did. See this one, you just got a little wider. Now
Came down as lower on
yeah,
this
you
end.
came a little too.
I didn't go
now,
right up against that corner.
Exactly. Now come right up in here. I'm trying to teach him how to get this thing to get it right. Knock the flag off first. Now keep it tight. Keep it tight the whole time. That's what's gonna make your bead look better. Just like this. Keep it just like that the whole time. That same speed. That's perfect. Keep it perfect. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight and keep the travel speed is very important. You see how you seen that fire like that? That means you step back, you know what I'm saying? Your gap wasn't as tight, but I